All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel again. I got another news article here for you today. This is on the 2026 Ford Maverick wins the Kelley Blue Book Best Resale Value Award. So I'm going to link in the description. So if you're going to want to go read the article, you can do so. And also, if you like truck and SUV related content, hit the subscribe button because I do upload a lot of content all week long. So sometimes 2 to 3 times per day. So let's get into the article here now. So aside from selling like hotcakes, the Ford Maverick has received loads of critical acclaim since it debuted for the 2022 model year, proving to be a popular choice for folks that enjoy the utility a pickup truck has to provide, but also in a reasonable price and efficient package as well. The Maverick is truly a vehicle that can do a lot of things well, and its popularity has spilled over to the used vehicle market, which bodies well for its resale value. Um, it was no surprise to see the Ford Maverick win a Kelley Blue Book Best Resale Value Award for 2022, 2023, and 2025. And now it has followed that up once again, securing the same honor for 2026. The Maverick took home top honors in the compact pickup segment and also landed in the top 10 among all vehicles, regardless of the class. The Maverick is projected to retain 54% of its value over a 5-year period, which was good enough for the seventh place. Now, as for the overall top 10, that list was topped by, of course, the Toyota Tacoma, 63%, the Toyota Tundra, 59%, Toyota 4Runner, 58%, Toyota GR Supra, 56%, Mercedes-Benz G-Class, 55%, Toyota Sienna, 54%, and then the Maverick. Then the Chevrolet Corvette, 54%, Porsche 911, 53%, and Ford Ranger at 53.4%. To come up with these figures, Kelley Blue Book takes data from its official residual value guide using values established by automotive analysts that review the output from statistically models built upon millions of transactions. Vehicles that earn the highest 5-year residual values expressed as a percentage of their original MSRP are selected for these awards. So they're also saying here residual values reflect the projected future auction values for vehicles in average condition with 75,000 miles at the end of a 5-year lease or ownership period. Now, Kelley Blue Book points out depreciation is often the biggest expensive one will face during the first 5 years of a vehicle's ownership. The average 2026 model year vehicle only retains around 45% of its original value over that time span. In fact, by comparison, the top 10 on the list are projected to retain around 55% of their MSRP over 5 years. So, very interesting. If you can buy a vehicle today and have over a 55% resale value after 5 years of driving, you're doing pretty good. So, let's just, for an example, pay 30,000. 5 years later, you're still going to get roughly 16, 17,000 for it. That's just an example. Now, that's pretty good, right? So, when you figure out, this is the best way I would do it. If I'm buying a new vehicle, figure out what your monthly payments are going to be over the 5-year period, what you're going to pay over that 5 years, then get the resale value back off for 5 years and see how much you actually paid per month for the 5 years. Did you pay more for monthly payment than what you were planning on, or did you pay less when you go to trade it in? So, some math for you. Again, that is the video for today. And again, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next video, which will be hopefully pretty soon. And I'll talk to you again. Bye for now.